Properties of integers. Integers show different properties with different mathematical operations. Let us learn about some properties of integers for addition. Can you answer these questions? Have you noticed all answers are integers? This property of integers is known as closure property of integer. According to closure property, when two integers are added, we get an integer. Commutative property of addition. When we solve -2 plus 3, we get 1. And when we solve 3 plus -2, we get 1. This means -2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus -2. According to commutative property, sum of two integers remains same, even when we change their order. Associative property of addition. According to associative property of addition, the sum of three or more integers remains the same irrespective of how they grouped. For example, -5 plus 2 plus -4 is equal to -5 plus -4 plus 2. Here we can group -5, 2 and -4 in any order. We get the same answer. Additive identity. According to additive identity, the sum of an integer and a zero is the integer itself. For example, -5 plus 0 is equal to -5 plus 0 is equal to -5. Additive inverse. Additive inverse of an integer is an integer which is added to the integer gives 0. For example, -12 plus 12 is equal to 0. So, 12 is the additive inverse of -12 and -12 is the additive inverse of 12. Multiplicative identity. When an integer is multiplied by 1, the product is the integer itself. The product is the integer itself. Whereas when an integer is multiplied by 0, the product is 0. Distributive law over addition. A into, within brackets, B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. As per this law, the product of first integer and sum of the other two integers is equal to the sum of the product of first and second integer and the product of first and third integer. Let us solve a question using this law. Using distributive law over addition. 55 into, within brackets, -22 plus 55 into, within brackets, -78 is equal to 55 into, within braces, -22 plus -78 is equal to 55 into -100 is equal to -5,500.